In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google account will be deleted in 29 days. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, receiving a notice that your Google account will be deleted always means one thing. Google believes the account owner is under the minimum age requirement, so when you or someone else accidentally enters a birth date that makes the account appear underage, Google initiates a 30-day grace period. And now you're at the day one of that countdown. So to stop the deletion, you have to prove you're of legal age to manage an account. So what you want to do is go over to your browser of choice and then go over to myaccount.google.com. You should see a prompt immediately stating your account is at risk. Then just click verify age or update an account. And then you're going to need one of two standard verification methods. The first is a government ID. So upload a photo of a valid ID like driver's license, passport, and Google usually reviews these within 24 hours. And then the fastest way is a credit card. Google will perform a small temporary authorization, which is going to be $1 or less to prove you're an adult. The hold is released instantly and your account is going to be saved within minutes. And then after that, you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.